Mr. G. Hindi ko po alam kung ilan limit po niyan eh. Typically, ano content mo? Oh, I don't really have. We're just only talking to people. Sometimes I do like live exercise, and sometimes I also do like singing. It depends on the mood that I have for the day. Yeah, on that day that I'm going to do some kind of a live. But for today, since I didn't have like enough sleep for a couple of days already, so I'm kind of tired. All I wanted to do is just to entertain people. And that's what I wanted to do for today. So, what are you doing here in Beagle? Oh, I do a lot of things outside Bigo. I prefer not to discuss it here rather than any some kind of a personal thing, but it's not just only what I do here, but outside I have a lot of things to do. So scan Hulu Love Tech kay DJ. Yeah. Thank you, Boris. Lunch. Lim Biscuit. Hello. Hi, Nuki. Yeah, I know what you're trying. Okay, let me just VA. VA. Next hot dog. Next hot dog. Hi, Jess. Mm. But before, I used to do like proofreading. If you happen to know about it, was the company, if I'm not the site, actually, it was called like Odesk, but they make it into Upwork na ata. Upwork na siya. I've been working there for like how many years? Alam mo yun, Adi? Yung Odesk before, ngayon Upwork na siya. Oo. Yeah. I used to work there. It's nice. She awake? Is she awake? No? Can you please stop going, ano, baby?
Yeah, my
In and
biscuit.
out? What kind of a biscuit is it?
Just a mini cookie.
Show me.
I bought a mini cookie.
Talaga?
It's like a mini Oreo.
Wala day mo yun, ano, day sa, ano, sa company ninyo, pwede mo mag, ano, anak, mag-sort out, anak. Tracy Carbon na. Ni, nami dagan anak sa mga site. Try ni mo anha dira sa katakugingon sa Upwork. They have a lot. Jonas, hello. Inana man jud na, mag-training, mag-undergo sa akaw ka ng warag training. Dili man siya ka ng, dali raman pud na. Mm, Upwork. Shadow. Hello, baby Macy. Mm. Dili. Ang ang Upwork kasi ano na siya, Canadian. Sa online, moadto kag online, niadto kag Upwork. Nya na sila daghan nga mga ano, nga kung unsa imong job description sa imong before nga ano, pwede ka mo fit in dito. Cupido, Hiron. Hi, Carrot.
You help me find it. Kasi like last time, I was looking for it. But
Yeah.
I really cannot find it. So can you help me find it? It's like in a light green packaging.
Light green.
It's like a mini Oreos that is in a light green packaging. That's just the color. That's my favorite. Yeah.
Oo. Oo. Na ano po siya diri. Kaya,
That's the biscuit.
oo, madadal na siya ulit.